I'm going to plant this one using my usual fertilizers. I've been bitten by the bugs this morning. We had storm last night. The bugs are out. So I'm leaning the petunia plants towards outside of the pot, so that when they grow, they're not going to the middle but to the outside of the pot. This is an Ozark sunflower, and it is perennial here in zone 7B. I'm planting it at the same level of the soil when I bought it. We can have rain again tonight, so no watering. Too much rain is making the leaves of the sweet Sophie Shasta daisy yellowish. I'm going to plant it. Maybe it will improve than being in this small container. I added compost and my usual fertilizer. I'm going to plant again. That's a Camelot mix foxglove, which is a perennial. This one is Shasta daisy. Same here. Alfalfa meal. There are 3 plants in here, so my soil level will be the same when I bought them. I have to make it sure that there's no roots above the soil. Triple 13 fertilizer around the plant. Digitalis or foxglove. The variety is Camelot mix. It's a perennial plant. Requires full sun to part shade. Height 36 to 48 inches. Spread of 24 to 30 inches. Attracts hummingbirds, deer and rabbit resistant. Alfalfa meal, compost, triple 13 fertilizer, Alaska Shasta Daisy. Full sun to part sun. Height 24 to 36 inches. Spread 12 to 18 inches. It's a cut flower. Insert the tag so that I can remember the plants that are planted in this bed. Dr. Alexander Fleming Puny. I'm using compost, alfalfa meal, my soil level be the same when I bought the plant. Make sure that there's no roots on the surface.